In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Teamviewer on Windows. Whether you're using Teamviewer for personal reasons or to enable remote support, it's an incredibly versatile tool. Let's get you set up quickly and smoothly. To start off, open up your preferred web browser. This could be any browser you like, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another. Once it's open, navigate to the official Teamviewer website. You can easily find it by typing Teamviewer into your browser's search bar and clicking on the official site link. It's important to ensure that you're on the official page to avoid downloading from unreliable sources. Now, once you're on the Teamviewer homepage, what you'll want to do is locate the Download section. This is usually highlighted prominently, either as a big button on the front page, or sometimes you might need to navigate to a dedicated download page. Just keep in mind that the official site is quite user-friendly, so you shouldn't have a hard time locating it. Next, you need to choose the version of Teamviewer that corresponds with your computer's operating system. Since you're using Windows, make sure you select the option that specifically mentions Windows. This ensures compatibility and smooth operation. If you're ever in doubt about your operating system version, you can check this information in your system settings. Now, depending on what you plan to use Teamviewer for, you have a couple of options to consider. You can go for the full client version if you want to provide and receive support. Alternatively, if your needs are simpler and you'll only be receiving support, the quick support client should suffice. Think about what fits your scenario best and make your choice accordingly. After picking the appropriate version, the download should begin automatically. Take a moment and look for the downloaded file. If you're not sure where it ended up, check your Downloads folder. That's usually the default location for most browsers. Once you've located the installer file, double-click to run it, and this will begin the installation process. After the installation is all wrapped up, you're ready to start using Teamviewer. You can open it either from the icon on your desktop or by finding it in the Start menu. From here, you can start connecting, providing, or receiving support as needed. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough on downloading Teamviewer. With these steps completed, you're all set to enjoy the benefits of remote connectivity and support. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it, and remember to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.